يا أبا صالح.
When you raise your hands in dua every day, how many of us, ask yourselves, how many of us have prayed for our Imam? If you love someone, you talk about them. Have you seen someone who's in love? They're always talking about their beloved. The beloved is always on the tongue of the lover. If you've never mentioned Sahib al-Zaman, can you claim to love him? The best spiritual advice, brothers and sisters, that I've received, it's something very simple. If you don't want to recite a ziyarah for the 12th Imam, if you don't want to recite a long dua for him, start with something small. After every prayer, say, Assalamu alayka ya Sahib al-Zaman. That's it. If you can do that consistently, I promise you, brothers and sisters, your life is going to change. Do you know why? In Islamic jurisprudence, when you say salam to someone, it becomes wajib for what? For the person that you're greeting to reply by saying what? Wa alaykum as-salam, which means what? Peace be upon you. Which is essentially a dua. What would happen to your life if every day, after every salah, you say salam to the Imam and the Imam replies to you by saying wa alaykum as-salam, where you get a dua for peace in your life from the 12th Imam. You will give every dollar in your bank account for one dua from a Mahsum. We have it every day. You can say salam to him every day. But we don't take advantage.
اللهم كل ولي